Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. Now in this video I'm going to talk about this, as you can see, which is a very important skincare step, at least in winter, for all of us. Now there are so many types of toners available in the market nowadays. There are hydrating toners, there are moisturizing toners, there are exfoliating toners, there are toners which are supposed to cleanse our skin. Back then, in the earlier times, there were only one type of toner was available, and that was the cleansing toners. There were astringents, there were toners which were supposed to cleanse our skin really well. But during these days, scenario has been changed. We have a lot of types of option. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about those toners which are supposed to maintain the pH balance of our skin, which is the core purpose of any toner. Now it's winter, we really need something that will obviously maintain the pH balance of our skin, which we tend to lose while washing our face or cleansing procedure. So one by one, I'm going to recommend a few toners which are very affordable. At the same time, they are very effective in maintaining the pH balance of our skin. People having compromised skin barrier, dry skin, dull skin, do give them at least one try, and you will understand what I am talking about. My first recommendation is it's Plum E-Luminance Nourishing Toning Water. The first ingredient that I'm going to mention is betaine. It is extremely good humectant for your skin. It is going to absorb the moisturizing ingredient into your skin really well. It also optimizes the hydration part of your skin. It's a great ingredient for those who have very agey, matured kind of skin. It also has hydrogenated castor oil, which is again a great anti-aging antioxidant ingredient, which is going to improve the overall skin texture for you. It has witch hazel, chamomile, calendula, hibiscus extract, and also rose extract. These flower extracts are supposed to add glow to your skin. It also improves the overall skin texture and also hydrates your skin very naturally. It also has tocopherol acetate, which is again a great moisturizing agent and also a very good antioxidant for your skin. People who have very dry skin, dehydrated skin, and compromised skin barrier, this toner is going to be the best for you. My second recommendation has to be this simple toner. It's called their Simple Soothing Facial Toner. It's called that it gently clears pores and moisturizes. Let me tell you something. If you think that it's winter and we don't need anything soothing for our skin, you are absolutely wrong. In winter, our skin barrier tends to be compromised, and we often can see that we have really compromised skin barrier. So we always need something that will soothe our skin, which has to be anti-inflammatory, and this is the kind of toner that you actually need for your skin barrier especially. Let me go through the ingredient list. It has allantoin, which is an excellent anti-inflammatory and soothing ingredient. It also treats skin conditions such as dullness, roughness, extreme dryness, especially that we face in winter. It also has pro-vitamin B5. It is kind of an humectant which makes the absorption of moisturizing agent really better for your skin. It also works as a barrier repairing ingredient, I would like to say. It has witch hazel, which is again skin soothing ingredient, which also protects your skin from any kind of inflammation, any kind of acne, little bit of bumps, and these and that. We most often tend to feel that we have really small bumps on our skin, if not acne or pimple, due to the over layering of products, especially in winter. Sometimes our skin tends to react over that. So this is the kind of toner, this is the kind of ingredients which will protect you from having little bumps or any kind of inflammatory problems. It also has chamomile, which is again an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory ingredient. It will also protect your skin from any kind of inflammation. It also lightens up the skin a little. So yes, this is a great toner for those who have compromised barrier, who needs to maintain the skin pH balance, it's a great option for them. My third option is Plum Bulgarian Valley Rose Water Toner. Let me go through the ingredient list first. It has Rosa Damascena, which is rose extract. It also has flower water. It also has hydrogenated castor oil, which is again a great anti-aging ingredient, and it is also an antioxidant for your skin. Flower extracts are supposed to glow up your skin, and it is supposed to nourish your skin really well. It also has witch hazel, which is an excellent soothing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant for your skin. It also has sodium gluconate that improves the stability of your skin. It also hydrates your skin really well. Do try this particular variant. It's an excellent toner which will keep your skin pH in balance, so do not forget to try this one. This is my next suggestion. It's called N-Caffeine Toner Serum, having niacinamide of 5%. This has a very convenient consistency. It's not too runny like a toner, it's not too thick like a serum. It is just somewhere in between, which is a very convenient option for those who want to sum up their skincare regime in a very short and precise kind of routine. So it's for them exactly. Also, it is very useful for all the skin type. If you have oily or dry or combination skin, you can definitely give it a try. It's a great product for them, especially in winter. Let me go through the ingredient list first. It has niacinamide, which is proven to tighten the pores. It also glows up your skin, maintains the skin health really well. If you have little bit of acne, bumps, even in winter, it will take care of them also. It has caffeine extract, which soothes your skin and reduces the inflammation, obviously. It also has coffee extract that enhances the glow, specifically for those who have really dull skin in winter. You can definitely give it a try. It also has butylene glycol, which improves the hydration of your skin. It also acts as humectant that will develop the absorption of any further product that you are going to apply after this on your skin. So yes, this is a great product. Honestly speaking, this is a very safe option for those who are new to this active skincare regime. It has niacinamide, but in a decent percentage. You can definitely give it a try. I don't think it will give you any kind of breakout. Even those people who have really sensitive skin, I feel it's a very calming and soothing toner for them. Also, the consistency is very perfect for winter. Do give it a try. Another variant of plum toner is none other than this, and I can understand why it is all the way around in the internet. I can completely understand how it is so viral. It is that famous rice water toner, which is all the way around in the internet. You can definitely give it a try for this toner. I personally love this toner. This is a great one for those who have compromised skin barrier, who have really dull and dehydrated skin, especially in winter. It's a great option for them. Let me go through the ingredient list. First of all, it has niacinamide. As you know, that niacinamide is an active ingredient which can be used in all the types of skin. If you have oily or dry or sensitive or combination skin, you can definitely give it a try. It's a great ingredient. It naturally maintains the health of your skin. It also has oryza sativa, that is rice water, which is proven to boost the collagen production. It is also proven to boost up the skin barrier. People who have really compromised skin barrier, especially in winter, very dry skin, dehydrated skin and broken skin barrier, you can definitely give it a try. A great ingredient for those. It also has avena sativa, which is oat extract, another good anti-aging ingredient for those who have really matured and dry skin. It also has benzyl alcohol, again a great antioxidant for their skin. It also has flower water, which, as I said, provides the hydration and nutrition for your skin. Great one for people who have really dull skin, dehydrated skin, very dry skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Stay tuned with me. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.